Hello all, good morning. So welcome to this quick video on the extension of the concept which I discussed on, uh, I think this is Friday, Thursday. I discussed the concept on open is equal to high, right? On index heavyweights will set the tone of the day. So I gave a simple example that if there is open is equal to high, it means that someone has shorted at the opening price and the price might, trend on the downside. So today I found the opposite example today, and I took a trade on that. So using the concept of open is equal to low, how can we get a sentiment, and how can we take a trade and finish our day? So this will be the objective of today's quick explanation. So today, as you can see, the market kind of opened flat, and you can see here that Nifty. So let me hide the indicators. So Nifty, is looking flat, and it's kind of, but it is. You can see that even though it's flat, the candles which are there on the whatever 55-minute time frame as of now, you can see that there are more, bigger bull candles than the bear candles. And when you look at Bank Nifty also, you can see that you can find a couple of more bullish nature of candles as of now, and it's also sideways because the price is still inside the previous day range. So this is the previous day range, and the price is still trading inside the previous day range. So till the price is inside yesterday's range, so it's technically called an inside day. So this is called inside day. It means the price is still in a balanced situation, right? So generally in an inside day, you must trade very less, or you must trade at the extremes only, instead of getting caught on the mid ranges, because the price will continue to oscillate between the extremes. So this is something on inside day. But more interestingly, what I wanted to convey is the extension of the concept which I discussed on Thursday. So let me clear this. So what I discussed was on open is equal to high. So today, as you can see, today there was open is equal to low on two index heavyweights. One is the HDFC Bank. You just have to scan the heavyweights to find this out. I've already told this. HDFC, bank, and the other banking sectors, Axis Bank. So today HDFC Bank and Axis Bank where open is equal to low. So I'll just show the charts of that also. You can see here that HDFC Bank, today the open is same as the low price, right? So have a close observation of the opening price. The opening price is somewhere at this level, that is 1.5. Just a minute. The opening price of this is 1.1562, right? So 1.562 is the opening price, and that is the low price. And you can see that HDFC Bank, and this is a index heavyweight. So the direction of this biggest heavyweight is on the, probably the bias which we can get is on the upside, right? So that is why we should not think of shorting the index heavyweights, be it Nifty or Bank Nifty. So the thing is, why HDFC Bank is so much important. So when you look at the Nifty indices in terms of the weightage and things like that, have a look at this every month. That doesn't change very often, but so when you look at yeah, first let me show Nifty, and sectorally we can see Bank Nifty also. So just a minute, let me clear this. Yeah, so when you look at Nifty, what you find is that uh, post the merger and merger of HDFC and HDFC Bank, we all know that HDFC Bank, has become a mammoth company, and in terms of market capitalization, we see that the top one. And when it comes to weightage in Nifty, it has very high weightage. You can see that it is 14%. So it has a very high weightage in Nifty, right? And when you look at Bank Nifty, even in Bank Nifty also, let me show this. So even in Bank Nifty also, pretty obvious that HDFC Bank has a very high weightage. So something like a 28% weightage stock and 14% weightage stock becomes open is equal to low or open is equal to high, you generally don't go on the opposite side. This is what I'm trying to convey. And also, in addition to HDFC Bank, we also have Axis Bank. Although Axis Bank has a small weightage in Nifty, but nonetheless, you can see that something like 15% is showing open is equal to low sentiment, and Axis Bank also has 9% weightage. So something like 35 to 40% of Bank Nifty is showing a open is equal to low sentiment, right? So the thing is, in such a situation, try to avoid shorting, is what the concept which I'm trying to explain, and also tell the trade which I took. And the thing is, on such a days, you just have to look at the price and see where the range is getting formed. And as I told that today was a inside day, inside day in the sense that the price of today is trading inside the price of inside the range of previous day, right? So in such days, whenever there is a dip and you have open is equal to low, you buy at some low point, right? So what I did was, I traded 43,900 call. So this is the call chart. I'll just yeah. When you look at 43,900 call, the trade which I took was somewhere I entered around this equilibrium zone. The price was just hovering around this equilibrium zone, and I entered at around 470 price range, this 470, and you can see that now, as of now, since it is trading up on the upside, I entered this at around 470 and I exited somewhere around 525 to 530. So 530 range. So easy 60 points is on in such a range bound day also. Why I'm telling this, because in such range bound days you have to trade less and you have to trade in the right direction. So knowing such concepts will help one to trade in the right direction first thing and trade less. So capturing 60 points and just staying out of the day. And why did I book my profit at this level? Because I know that the price is still inside the previous day range. So the price, the horizontal line which I've marked here, is showing 557. So generally, when you know that the targets which you get on such days will be less, so you just have to generally book, early and get out of the market. So this is a concept which I'm trying to explain. It's very simple and age-old concept based on just price. That knowing the open is equal to high or open is equal to low on the heavyweights. You can see just HDFC Bank today. It's heading one way, right? So that's the point which I'm trying to convey. And also, let us look at Axis Bank for that matter. Axis Bank is not so much; it's pretty much flat. It was open is equal to low, but the point here is when you look at the open is equal to low of Axis Bank, the first candle itself is not pretty strong, right? Because you can see huge rejection. It's getting rejected from the previous day's high range. So Axis Bank would likely remain range bound in this range, in this narrow range. So, but HDFC Bank did not do so, right? So HDFC Bank, the first candle, the open is equal to low was there, but the candle is also good. So that's how you get the direction, and never try to short on such days. The range will be very small and things like that. So it depends on various contexts, but for this context, it is just an inside day and an open is equal to low sentiment. So try to have a like bounce trade whenever it dips, comes on the lower side of the range with a small risk reward. One can go long for a small target. So that's it. Hope this analysis was helpful. Thank you.